I am the person who handles businesses as much as possible. We also have another attorney who helps with business litigation, so that's when businesses are involved in disputes. But I help foreign businesses draft their contracts from beginning to end, help them deal with employee issues, help them deal with leasing issues when they want to lease a building or some land. Along those lines, also, I deal with all real estate matters, so that includes foreclosure, and personal leases as well. Besides that, I can also deal with any type of courtroom work. That's my background. I represented large businesses like Disney and SeaWorld and Darden for the first 12 years of my career before we opened this office. So I also do some personal injury work as well. We have 2 new lawyers who are working on family law. I've done a lot of the family law for our clients in the past, and I will continue to help with that as well. Well, I'm one of those weird people who, when I was in 5th grade, decided I wanted to be a lawyer. I don't know why that happened, but that's what I decided, and from there on, I kind of stuck with it. I never wavered. I think that I knew that I wanted to help people, and that was a good way to do it. I was always okay speaking in front of people, so I sort of had that passion, and once I started in college getting involved and working for judges and things, I knew that that was the thing I wanted to do. You really do get the chance to help people, and that is the most rewarding thing. A lot of times people come in and they just have no idea where to turn. They've read stuff on the internet and they've talked to people and they're so confused, or they're so worried they think they're going to get kicked out of their house tomorrow, or they don't know how they're going to get their kids back, or any variety of problems. And really being able to help someone with that legal issue is great, but the best reward is after you just talk to somebody for 10 or 15 minutes and you kind of tell them what the law is and what their rights are. More times than not, they say, "Oh, thank you so much. You really made me feel so much better." It's kind of a mystery until you get to that lawyer and kind of talk to them. So making people feel better about their issue and know there's a light at the end of the tunnel. It's not hopeless. What they read on the internet might not be true. That really is the most rewarding. We've tried to be very involved in the community. Everyone in the firm sort of has their own passion. I have a few different ones. I do try to do a lot in Avalon. I do live in Avalon. I have kids that go to Avalon Elementary. So one of the things I do is the Avalon Elementary PTO. I've been involved in Girl Scouts as well and Boy Scouts. I also am very involved in Kiwanis, which is an organization that helps children. We read in the schools, we do Terrific Kids, we help sponsor the Key Club and the Builders Club community service in the schools. So that's something that I'm very involved in. I've also tried to be involved in the business community as well. So I've been very involved in the East Orlando Chamber. I run Education Day. I've done that for the past 3 years. So again, helping kids in education, but also helping the business community be involved with that. I'm on the Executive Referral Group, which is a group of 60 local businesses that work together to build business. They also help the community as well. So those are some of the things that I've been involved in. I try to help with all aspects of the community.